The phylum Rotifera is under the kingdom of Animalia. Its class is Urotitoria. Three examples of rotifers are Tigura pelula, which is the top left, Brachionis quadridentis, top right, and Adonetta vaga, bottom one. The only one with a common name is a bottom one, which is a bdelloid rotifer. The other two do not have one because it has not been discovered. Rotifera are aquatic animals. Most of the rotifera live in freshwater environments such as ponds, lakes, swamps, and mires. We can occasionally find rotifers living in brackish or marine waters. Here we can see an example of where they would typically live. They also live on mosses and lichens growing on tree trunks and rocks, on mushrooms growing near dead trees, and even on freshwater crustaceans and aquatic insect larvae. The shape of trophi varies between different species, depending partly on the nature of their diet. In more actively carnivorous species of rotifers, their trophi is more likely to be shaped like forceps or pliers to help them be able to bite into their prey. Rotifers are able to move from place to place in three different ways: free-falling, inchworming, and sessility. Here, you can see that the rotifer is able to extend its body. It is using its tail to extend and stretch. What's keeping it still is the little pincer-like shapes at the end of the tail. Those are its spores. There can be up to 4 spores on the foot. Then, there is the inchworming technique, which is quite obvious how it works. It involves taking alternate steps with the head and tail, as shown here. The final type is free-falling. Here, the rotifer is falling straight down and gets to where it wants. Once it reaches its destination, it uses its tail and spores to move and eat its food. The coronal cilia creates a current like a vacuum that sweeps food into its mouth. Then, the mouth opens into a characteristic chewing pharynx called the mastax. The pharynx has a powerful muscular wall and contains jaw-like structures called trophi.